We are going to communicate with the strangest animal of them all, the Matthias Canaris. Drew, give me the weapon. Take your racket. Now, we are going to keep him docile and... Alright, he seems to be getting agitated. We should get closer. We're going to tag this one. Alright, I have tagged the Matthias Canaris. He is now our responsibility. We will keep him in check for the rest of his life. And here seems to be Zach. Will you finish this one? This matches. I've already tagged him. He seems to be ready. Now we can closer. I will attempt to communicate. Hello. How are you? No response. Hello.
He has.
Yes, he appeared to grab the objects for which I have meant to communicate. Alright, together, please. We will run away as fast as possible. He seems to be very agitated. Alright, 1, 2, 3, run!
Are we actually running?